What you doing with mommy?
My eyebrows.
Is this new?
No. Put it down.
This smells good.
Put it back because you're not getting it.
Is this one new? It looks full.
No. You leave my stuff alone.
Can I have it?
No.
It smells good.
I don't care. You have your own.
No, I don't.
You have plenty.
Nuh-uh. You don't give me any.
I don't give you any?
No, you don't.
Your whole room is full of all of mine.
No, they're not.
Everything up there you have is from me.
Not true.
Put that down.
You want me to turn your candle one more on?
No, what I want is for you to leave my stuff alone.
No, thank you.
Don't you have homework to do?
No.
I'm bored.
Can I turn your light on?
Will that make you get out?
Yeah.
In the basket. You have to have it that bright?
Hey, I have a question.
What?
When are you gonna teach me how to do makeup?
We already had this conversation.
Yeah, but I was like 12 when we had that conversation. I'm 14 now.
Okay. 14 is still too young.
Okay, so how old do I have to be?
35.
35? Seriously, mommy, when?
Let's say 16. But why are you in a hurry to wear makeup?
Because I want to be beautiful. I want to be mindful. I want to be demure. I want to be very tea.
Jazlynn, you're already beautiful. You don't need all of that makeup to make you beautiful. You already come with all of those things. I mean, you came from me.
Can't forget Daddy. Wink, wink. Mommy, please. I really need to learn how to do makeup.
No, Jazlynn, you don't need makeup. What you need to do is worry about finishing high school.
Oh my God. That's 4 years away.
And that's 4 years of you staying my baby.
Oh my gosh. I'm never gonna grow up.
I love you too.
Girls, aren't you? I can't wear makeup.
Makeup? That's all? Girl, I thought it was something serious.
It is serious, Gigi. All my friends at school call me plain Jane.
Again, is that all? As a freshman, they used to say the same thing about me because I didn't wear makeup. And I'm gorgeous.
Easy for you to say with your long, luscious, beautiful eyelashes.
Look who's talking with your full lips and your long legs.
Okay, natural suppressed.
Whatever, Dimples. Look, you don't need makeup. Makeup is for people who's trying to hide something.
But I'm so sick of being called plain Jane.
Who cares if they think you're plain Jane? We don't wear wigs. We don't wear makeup. We don't wear nails. We don't wear lashes. We're naturally beautiful.
Gee, you don't understand.
take a 10-piece lemon pepper wet, and all the fries you can get me. Thank you. All right, thank you.
What I need. Wrapping paper. Oh, yeah. Who's gonna be plain Jane now? Crap. A little bit.
I know you didn't.
Did what?
Oh, mommy's gonna kill you.
No, she won't. She won't even find out I'll wear a hoodie.
Yes, she will.
No, she won't.
She will if I tell her.
Gigi, you just need to mind your business.
Come on, Jazlynn, you have early morning practice.
Okay, I'm coming.
Why do you have your hoodie on?
Because it's cold in school and stuff.
Oh, but it's 100 degrees outside.
Yeah, let's just go.
Why are you covering your face?
No reason.
Why is your face covered?
No reason.
Let me see. Let me see.
No, it's okay.
Let me see.
It's okay.
Jazlynn, I told you about this makeup. Why are you wearing makeup? Get out. Go wash that off your face now.
Mom, I just want to look pretty.
But you're already pretty.
No, I'm not.
You don't need the makeup. You're naturally pretty.
I'm just sick of everybody giving me a hard time in school.
Everybody has a